Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. That's a real honest to goodness cowboy. That's a whole mess of cows over yonder. There's old cowgirl over yonder, only I don't think she's very old. Check it out. Beautiful mountain pass here. Traffic going by here. Everybody's got their cameras out like I got them. Just check this out. He's got a collie dog, couple dogs actually. There it goes now. That dog was working his butt off earlier, driving him, getting him off the road. There's the other gal over there with her dog. They're working off hand signals. I was watching them do the signals and the dogs respond really well to that. I am walking through cow poop as I talk to y'all. Look at that hilltop. Look at that. Wow. Only in Colorado, right? Yeah, not true. I've seen this in Iowa, I guess. But check it out. Hey, he's got two of them fighting over yonder. Dogs over there breaking it up. Look at that. Holy moly. And here I am standing out in the middle of nowhere. Oh, she hand signaled her dog back and forth. Yeah. Holy cow. Literally, holy cow. Wahoo, huh?